The contours of African identity, culture, diaspora, and indigenous knowledge. Culture is a subject dear to my heart. Africa is not just an identity, it is also a destiny, a moral obligation. The culture of each ethnic group holds together the authentic social and metaphysical fabric of traditional practices. Oral literature, music, art, and rites through which identities are built. African culture is varied and manifold, consisting of various ethnic groups, with each possessing unique characteristics. This paper explores some of the focal areas of Africanness and my position as an African. This study aims to critically explore the essence of Africa and African culture by interrogating the historical and contemporary constructions of Black identity within both the African continent and the African diaspora. The study also seeks to examine how colonial domination, imaginative narratives, and interpretive frameworks have shaped political and theoretical understandings of race, culture, and identity. The study also investigates the ongoing relevance of African cultural expressions and identities within Africa itself, questioning how these concepts function, evolve, and resist in the face of internal and external influences. A contextual approach was employed in this study. The primary source for data collection was oral interviews. The participants were selected for interviews in relation to their informative qualities and their dedication, commitment and determination to local knowledge and indigenous knowledge systems. 13 participants were interviewed for this study, comprising 7 traditional music practitioners, 2 traditional poets, 2 creative practitioners and 2 anthropologists. It has emerged from this study that in terms of African identity, establishing and fully owning identity is important for political, economic, and social progression. Oral accounts and literary evidence have also shown that oral tradition is very important in African culture, as it ensures the passage of cultural practices from one generation to another. African Renaissance must begin from the smallest sociological unit. It was concluded that central to the idea of African essence is a particular idea of cultural identity associated with indigenous knowledge. Introduction. This paper explores the deep connection between African culture, identity, and heritage, emphasizing the importance of preserving these values for future generations. African culture is dynamic, ever-evolving, and shaped by historical experiences, including the impact of colonialism. Despite the challenges posed by globalization and westernization, African culture remains rich in traditions, customs, and wisdom passed down through generations. The essence of African culture is rooted in values such as respect for elders, spirituality, community, and the sanctity of life. These principles form the foundation of African identity and continue to influence the continent's social, political, and economic life. However, the spread of Western ideas and the decline of indigenous knowledge have posed threats to Africa's cultural heritage. Many African languages, proverbs, songs, and customs are at risk of being forgotten. The paper questions the relevance of African culture and identity today, and how communal values and morality can help preserve them. It also explores the relationship between Africa and the African diaspora, highlighting how historical experiences of domination and colonization have shaped race, identity, and political thought. Ultimately, this study underscores the need to protect and promote African culture, ensuring that it continues to play a vital role in shaping the continent's future while honoring its past. Conclusion. This study highlights the importance of cultural identity and indigenous knowledge in shaping African essence. It emphasizes that identity is both personal and political, and understanding and owning our African identity is key to social, political, and economic progress. the study also points out the vital role of oral tradition in passing down cultural practices across generations, with the family serving as the foundation of cultural learning. African identity, it argues, is complex and evolving, influenced by historical forces like colonialism. It also recognizes that Africa's identity is not fixed or pure, but shaped by interactions with others, requiring open dialogue. Ultimately, the study concludes that identity is dynamic and shaped by personal, family, and societal influences, constantly adapting to changing political, economic, and cultural conditions. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.